Good morning, this is Mike Houston with your Wednesday morning hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we see a low-pressure trough off the western coast with a moist southwest flow across southern Idaho. A number of embedded disturbances in that flow rotating up through the region. Looking at our highs today, with all the cloud cover, we will see some cooling. With temperatures generally running in the 70s here within the Snake River Plain and 60s within the Central Mountains, and mid-60s to mid-70s here across the southeast highlands. Advancing to our forecast charts for this afternoon, that low-pressure system begins to set up off the northern California coast. We do get some drier air entrained in that flow that lifts up into Idaho. But we do have a disturbance ejecting from this low that lifts up through southwest Idaho and should spawn some fairly decent thunderstorm activity late this afternoon and evening across the Central Mountains. Advancing to Thursday, that low-pressure system now beginning to spread inland. We do have continuing precipitation across the region. Looking at some of the severe parameters, they don't look quite as dire as they have the last several days. So right now I'm not expecting this to go too far in terms of severe capability, but we'll have to continue to monitor this for Thursday afternoon. But certainly wet with the widespread showers across the region. By Friday, that low-pressure system continues to spread across the region with a continuation of widespread showers and maybe some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. That system exits off to the east on Saturday. Looks like we get a little bit of a break from the weather, maybe a few showers lingering up in the mountains. But you see the next storm system already taking shape off the Oregon coast. And as we jump ahead then to Sunday, we see that storm system spreading in through Oregon and Nevada into the Great Basin here with accompanying showers spreading into southeast Idaho. That continues into Monday as that low-pressure system now works into Utah, and we see continuation of widespread shower activity and isolated thunderstorms here on Monday afternoon. By Monday, temperatures should have cooled. Here we are looking at readings now generally in the 50s for daytime highs here in the Snake River Plain, and generally in the 40s, maybe getting up to 50 in some of these valleys in the Central Mountains, and similar readings here across the southeast highlands. So certainly a cooling trend coming. If I were to back up, it doesn't look like it ends. We have another low-pressure system coming for the middle of next week, and that'll just keep the precipitation and cooler temperatures coming for us, so stay tuned. Taking a look at our rivers this morning, we have the Big Wood at Haley still at bank full, and really no other readings currently in any bank full conditions at the moment. Take a look at our forecast here, and out through 8 days. We take a look at the Big Wood at Haley. We are expecting to see flood stage now on noon on Thursday. Originally it was forecast sometime for this morning. But it'll be minor flood stage at this point. That may be a safe bet with the precipitation that we're getting, but we'll wait to see what happens there. And then really not much going on here at the Big Lost above Mackey at Howell Ranch. We jump across the way here to the Henry's Fork or near Rexburg. And right now the forecast is calling for bank full conditions Friday morning, and then should be bumping flood stage possibly as early as noon on Saturday. That's all I had for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.